It's a good morning. Livuka njani? Mamuka chini, makadi. Kana kuti mamuka sei. Yabona thina abanye ukuthiwa ngama-minorities siyakhuluma isiShona, siyakhuluma isiNdebele, siyakhuluma isiKhalanga, isiVenda, isiTonga, isiNambia. We are just fluent in all the languages, which is one of the good things about being a Zimbabwean. Welcome to the Breakfast Club. My name is Zenzele Ndebele, and uhlelo lwethu lwanamuhla we'll be talking to our Herbert Sibanda. Right?
Correct.
Yeah. So in the program today, we'll be talking to Ubabu Herbert Sibanda, who is a herbalist, and we'll be trying to find out that umehluko phakathi kwe-herbalist lenyanga kuyini. Lokuthi ama-herbalist wona enzani. What do you do to become a herbalist? I know this season of COVID, we have heard a lot of stories about Zumbami, about Msuzwane. One word that I've seen on Twitter several times, ndakandishi natira, kunatira, kunatira, kunatela, kufuta, kwenzani. But these are some of the things that people have been doing because of the COVID pandemic. People have turned to, the traditional remedies and trying to, beat the COVID at its own game. So we'll be talking to Babu Sibanda to find out about his journey as a herbalist. What kalanjani, herbalist, what does it involve? Babu Sibanda, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Mr. Ndebele.
Yeah, what is the difference between a herbalist and a nyanga?
Right, a herbalist deals with the herbs, whereas a nganga or a traditional healer casts some bones, chamatam, to consult. I don't consult.
So now consult to herbalist.
Herbalist.
So herbalist is traditionalist.
No, so traditionalist.
Okay.
Because it differentiates to lama lesnyang is when they use the roots of trees. Tina city they are destroying trees. Tina only using leaves and fruits to make our medicine. We don't consult. So
impande.
Impande no, it's out because city Tina, when you dig a root, you're already destroying that plant. But if I'm using the leaves and the fruits, it will still remain. Singakali isihlahla ezinenkathi ezingasekho ezomdabu. I-reason kuyini? Intabomvu isire kuyithola. Ngeke uyithole kathi ngaze eGwanda wenkayo ngabe intabomvu ayitholakala. What's the reason? Bagebha. Bathatha impande basebenzisa. Thina was saying, tata ama fruits entabomvu. Tata amahlamvu entabomvu. Ngoba ukudla esikufunayo kulapha emahlamvini. According to herbal medicine. Mina ngenza ukuthiwa yi-action for natural medicine. ANAMED in short. And I was trained by a Malawian herbalist who talked Matthew Shabampof, who about 2020, and I was the only one from Matabeleland region. Nobody else. So for almost 45 days. And what we're taught is, Tina has a chai matambo, Tina has a boili mpand. We dry all our products and pack them.
So, singakafiki khona in detail, akungitshela ukuthi interest yakho wena ngento zene zokuba herbalist iqalise njani? Kuyini okwenza ube le interest?
Ubaba ekhaya wajale khona ukuthi singakhwehlela uzothi amalede umsuzwane. Sikejime siyathatha umsuzwane. Sikubhoyile umsuzwane sinathe. Ulamhlanje ngone kazi isisu sibuhlungu ye. Hambe tata amacolo umango umsusu. Sithatha amacolo umango lana we use them. Dry, pound them into powder, then we suffer with porridge. I said some siyaluma. That was a cure for stomachache most of the times. So interest yami yalokhu isiba khona lokhu ngifunda ngibona umdala lokhu esenza umuthi wendlebe ethatha isikusha sikhona isikusha semakhaya ngeke ngasibona ngasebenzele plum tree. I've seen it this sisal, it grows the short variety. You boil that short variety with cooking oil, water and cooking oil. You make it in a liquid. See drop drop. So that is where my passion grew from.
So wasufika njani Harare lapha su train abantu Malawi baronga kakhulu. So when wasufika njani Malawi?
Right, what actually transpired, I was reading a document sometime in 2014 eka Dr. Martin Heat who was doing experiments in the DRC. Nguye ufounder we-Animate. Then I was always following the articles that he was writing. Then I saw a group ukuthi kwakusiba lama sessions or lama trainings in other countries, especially south of the tropics. Lapha besenza khona ama sessions abo. Then I linked up with uMatthews Shabampofu eMalawi because sahlangana Facebook la esevela trainer eIndia. That's how I hooked up. Wazokuthi sobuya workshop eHarare, of course it was an expensive workshop, yafuna $200. But it was 2018. Wase encourage ukuthi hayi ndoda, since into ngale interest ngayo, find money and come. Yikuhamba kwami eHarare sense ya trainer.
So i-training le ibinjani? Awusitshela ukuthi belisenzani?
I-training le besifundiswa, siqale safunda ngeBhayibheli. First, our point of reference was the Bible. What does the Bible say? Yeah.
Okay.
What does the Bible say about herbal medicine? Ungabala incwadi kahle kahle uzilandela kule. Kukhona lapho ekhuluma khona at the edge of the stream you will find a tree, and this tree are going to use the fruits as your food and the leaves as your medicine. I can't remember the verse, but it's there clear nje. And all these shrubs and herbs that you are using, they are there in the Bible. Ungakhela kulesihlahla okuthiwa iminti. Iminti ikhona. I have it somewhere there. Ikhona iminti in the Bible. It was used to ukugeza abantwana abancane. Sanda kuzala bageze ngayo. So that is where the passion grew from. Sathi sasuka lapho ke sasesifundiswa ke ngama major herbal trees. Sakhuma ke ngama major herbal trees ukuthi wapi ke ama major herbal trees esiwatholayo asetshenziswayo. Sasesidwela ke ezintweni ezazisetshenziswa nguDr. Martin Heath eDRC eIndia, ngathi countries south of the tropics. There was moringa. This is the moringa tree. It appears in India and is found in the south of the tropics. Wawuya kwesinye isihlahla okuthiwa ikigeli, kuthiwa African sausage. NgesiNdebele sithi ngumveve. It's found in the south of the tropics. Ungakhangela kithi enkayi ngale siningi kakhulu. Ole plum tree ngihlale kakhulu more than 20 years but angizange ngasibona. So sikhamba sithi qa. It's documented isihlahla lesiya. But bazokhuluma ngesinto okuthiwa inimba, the neem tree. Ikhona elupane lephinga. Mostly yelapha ama-piles. Just that part of the leaves yawanatha and wenze ointment ugcobe yelapha ama-piles. Sazokhuluma ngebilebile. Ibilebile liyazonda Ndebele.
Liyabahaba.
But
kodwa abeswaneni bathi kunaka kwemiribiri kubaba kwayo.
Exactly. The healing of medicine is in its bitterness.
Yeah.
Ibilebile lalikhona khonapho futhi ku list yeneyo.
Ibilebile liyenzani?
Right. Ibilebile is a detox.
Okay.
Mhlawumbe lenyongo, mhlawumbe iliyathina legazi lakho, igazi lakho manxa if your blood has got a lot of fat, it thins that blood.
So very much thing chili.
Kumele ithenge chili. Mina endlini lapha senathi sithi tona hot chili tea.
Uyenzani?
Try hot chili tea. I take 1 teaspoon of hot chili, not level but flat.
Chili anethengwe esitolo.
Chili and ibilebile libabayo chili na. I put it to 1 liter of boiling water. We drink it.
So kini lapha kuvakatshwa lapha.
No. Kumnandi kakhulu. Kumnandi kakhulu ngavakatshwa lapha Ndebele. Kumnandi kakhulu sibili. We also have ginger. Then we've got East Dambi. This is the hibiscus we're talking about. Yeah. Siyakhula sibehlala inkalakata. I was in Harare sometime. I went to another restaurant lomngani. A cup of tea yalokho kuyisihlahla lokho kulama fruits ama petals akho newenza tea. It was going for 5 years. Just a cup. So ngihlangele last year lasa kuripa labantwana. They liked it. So I seed banked the seeds. Ama ngingathumeza ekhaya.
So ginger yenza.
Right. Ginger is a detox. Yiyo leyana yenza ukuthi ikhipha ama toxins emzimbeni wakho. But abantu kasekwazi. Abantu sithanda ukuthi isu sami sibuhlungu. Ngcono ngiyethenga uthiwa Mr. wathi lo unathwayo ukuthi ngihude ngenze so forth. No, we don't encourage that as herbalists. Sithi thina simply use the herbs around you. Simply use the herbs around you.
So ngiyabona kade singento ze-COVID futhi abantu begijimela i-ginger, i-garlic yona enyani.
I-garlic actually bathi bona manxa sibala, it kills the virus. Those are antiviral herbs. most of them la angana-hot, the antiviral. Plus it's immune system booster. You see. So ngamanye ama-herbs esasiwafunda are internationally recognized by ANAMID. They've been used in India, they've been used in Germany, they've been used in the DRC. Like umvebe, anti umvebe yazi.
Ndikalanga mna mtala so
ngolevele kachikalanga
ndikuzana isikalanga
ndesikalanga moti mlembelembe yo yayinolembeleka so bachibona
ntokuziva yeah.
Then ilele fruthende kwakuthiwa kudala uhambe ibamba la ngapha kwakho kuzaba I think you know.
I know the story. Yeah, sasona siyidinga singabafana. But I'm not sure whether it's true.
That was just a talk ukuthi singadlaleli because it had some medicinal powers that were hidden. Manxa kuyikuthi you are a man or a woman, you can't conceive. You take the fruit, you pound it into powder. Then you take a teaspoonful to a tablespoon of honey. It increases your sperm count. So abantu sasingakwazi abadala besivalela. And how did I get to know all these other things? Nyenza into ekuthiwa indigenous knowledge initiative. Going around the village, asking those above 70, 80, 90. Badala linganceda. Isihlahla lesi kudala kwenu kwakuthi hayi mfana lesi kwakuzila asikuthi kwakuzila. There's a special purpose. Ikusibona kade siloko siprotected.
So i-problem esilayo thina njengabantu ukuthi wena ngumsabatha.
Yeah.
Lina lasuka la buya leBhayibheli lo mfundisi wami lo camera engisebenza la. La selesithi abantu abalahli izihlahla ngoba ngamadimoni. So then at the end of the day abantu bangani for lack of a better word bazinyanya izihlahla bazenza into engarayithanga. And uzathola ukuthi ema-village abantu abaselalo ulwazi lona lo thina sikhula vele sasikwazi ukuthi nxa ubulawa isisu uyagamula isihaqa nyama nesikalanga so nyama yeah ndithatha idla nyama sasikwazi nxa usegangeni lapha impa vele kwakulezihlahla vele okwazi ukuthi lokhu ngokwalokho iyabona kule nto lana utshelela amazinyo leyana ngesikhala ngathi bukadzila so kwakulezi amahlamvu akhona ukuthi no ungatshelela amazinyo sesuyathatha isihlahla lesana uhlafuna kube sharp immediately. So kungenziwani ukuthi wena njengoba usazi ukuthi abantu ekhaya bangafundiswa njani ukulondoloza into zenezi because it serves them a dollar kuzubukho ubuye town.
You can say that again. You know into ekhulumayo ngiyithanda kakhulu ukuthi thina sasuka sathatheka ngokubona izinto sasuka sathatheka. That's why laphana ngangutshela ngithi we've said this is called imvelo crawl.
Yeah.
We are trying to take people little by little back to where we were. Even our dressing, ngabona izinto amalilo kana unizi yonke lana esisebenzayo.
Yeah.
We're using local things to make all these products.
Maybe awuthathi imizi eyi-1 lapho sikhulume ngento esiyikhangeleyo.
Right. Ungakhangela imask le. Imizi le. Lesi isikhwama lesi. Oh yeah, asafule basinyama. But isikhwama lesi.
Handbag.
Handbag lo.
Yeah.
Imizi yodwa lesi sisebenzayo. And isithi thina imvelo herbal crawl brackets off. Operation faka isintu estyle. Lapha esikhona. Sithina kasibuyeleni nga.
Ngiyabona influence kamna ngakwa everything is now militarized yabona sekuyo operation
operation faka isintu estyle.
Ngiyabona it's a nice phrase.
It's a nice phrase.
So liyakwenza ukuzikhoma.
Siyakwenza ukuzikhoma lokho.
Okay.
Siyakwenza ama mask labanye sebewathengile. Lama bangles, lama earrings. Yabona.
So sizaxoxa ngakho ngelina kade yathi singifuna izihlahla ngoba sengicabanga ukuthi maybe lami ngingavula ukulidumba wami bengiconsult lapha ku Twitter.
Yeah,
uthumezela abantu. So 45 days lezi unye wakufundayo khona manje.
Right. Into safunda basafunda ama dosages. Do you realize ukuthi abantu bathi akulama dosages isihlahla emithi esintwini akulama dosages?
Yeah.
But Dr. Martin Hart from Germany says no, dosages are there. It is a teaspoon to 1 liter of boiled water. Whatever you're taking, it is a teaspoon. Why is it a teaspoon? Your heart can accommodate a teaspoonful of this. Siphinde sithi thina asithi ngifuna ukudla this le kuthiwa yichiya le. If I want to use this as my medicine in the morning, just tea, ngithatha a handful, because it is believed my hand or my fist is equivalent to the size of my heart. So liquid yenza nathi lapho accommodated.
Ungathatha okuningi akula
Yagcina ku-upset. So i-dosage, ama-dosages silawo. Just like this artemisia, it was used to cure the malaria in the DRC. It works. It also immune booster system, boost immune system yakho. Safundiswa lokwenza ama-ointment. I can make ointments as Lord using this stuff. I can make ointments.
So sembonile imithi yonke lapha imithi epopular kakhulu ngumvusankunzi. So umvusankunzi lapha kuphi?
Mvele.
Lona abadala babesithi ngawunathi.
That's the first one.
Because ngizothi emarket umuntu ohamba kakhulu ngoba abantu amene beqala begijima abantu babekwazi bamele bebefit kwezinto yonke into
challenge yakhona Ndebele yokuthi abantu bafuna ukuthatha amavuzankuza lana. Kabakwazi ukuthi uyabulala ama-kidneys. Uyabulala ama-veins eyure. Because umuntu uphonga unatha akakwazi ukuthi isizathu sokwenza ukuthi kuyini. That's a challenge that we're having. You are going to take all those blue tablets abazithenga ezitreating. You are just taking them. You don't know the cause. Kanti vele okwenza mina ngingabi lokho kumele ngibe khona kuyini. Yabona siyazibulala. We're killing our systems. And mina ngithi manxa ufuna kimi ukufuna lokho ngitshela ukuthi first of all I give you a diuretic. Sithi diuretic herb. That cleans all your system. And then sebenzisa imbeya yedonkiya yole.
Lokhu phela kuyamile esibayeni.
Kona ngakhulu
esibayeni.
Right.
Kuthiwa imbeya yedonki.
Imbeya yedonki ngesikhathi kuthiwa i-red pig with amaranthus.
So you clean system.
Right. Clean system. It's a great immune booster. Noma umuntu i-system yakhe singane week ngamnathisa that thing for almost 7 days. Uzabona kusibale change. So that's the first thing. Yakunika lokho. System yakho benjani?
Ngani ba
ibe clean the
system. Kasuwani asipaka.
Yeah, the system yakho siyi clean. After that sengimixa khona kuthiwa i-fenugreek.